Guys, this is my third helpful and useful video out of 100. Today I am going to play an interesting queen trap. 90% of viewers don't know this. So let's look at it quickly. This game starts with the king's pawn opening. Then black play pawn to g5. This opening name is Borg Defense. Guys, pay attention to the board and quickly learn about this interesting queen trap. Oh my god, I am sorry, now the white queen is gone. So go back in this position and learn another crazy queen trap. This time there is only save score for the queen and that is g3. But it is very bad for black because next move is coming discover check and suit is gone. Guys, I hope see you in my next helpful and useful video. Tata and bye bye. Oh, sorry guys, just comment to me. I am waiting for your comment. And guys, definitely subscribe to me because my dream of 100k subscriber in my channel.